Hello soulmate, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's class we'll be learning how to install our zipper with instant finishing method, and we'll be needing our zipper and our zipper foot, the zipper of your choice. Now in this method we are going to be separating our lining from main fabric. Mind you, lining away from main fabric. That's what you are seeing me do. I'm trying to separate my lining from my main fabric. Then sew down your zipper allowance, whichever way you use, sew it down and iron to have a crease line for us to follow. Now I measured 1.5 inches upward. That's where I will be placing my zipper. Now zipper will be facing right side of the zipper, will be facing right side of the main fabric. Then I will sew it down. I will also do it to the other side of this off-shoulder blouse. This is an off-shoulder blouse. You can also use this method for a gown or normal blouse. So the same method applicable to them all. So I'm trying to sew the zipper into the blouse like so. So you check if what you've done is okay. So you flip it to the other side, or you bring the corresponding part of the back, then you also pin it down. So I mark also 1.5 inches. I marked earlier. You mark it also for this other part. Then you place your zipper on it. Then you sew down. Before you do that, please pin down the fabric and the zipper together so that you can try to check what you are doing. So you pin it down. Pinning is very important so that I'll also cross check the bottom line and the upper parts of this blouse. And you pin it down, then you sew. You can see I'm done with the main fabric. Then I'm going to bring the corresponding part, which is the lining part of this blouse. I'm going to bring it up for us to do the instant finishing. So that is the lining. So I'm also taking off my seam allowance that I try to separate the two lining that I've joined together so that I can bring the corresponding parts to the one I want to use to turn in our zipper. Please, if this video is helpful, please comment, like, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and also to encourage me to do more. Thank you. So that is what I'm trying to do. You place it wrong side, first of all, wrong side, facing the wrong side of this blouse. Then you flip it to the other side like the way you see me do. You flip it to the other side for us to sew it down. down. After that, I try to check, the way we normally sew blouse, you cut away like 1 inch or half an inch away from the bottom of your fabric. That's what you see there. Then later we notch. First of all, notch, then you top stitch on the lining part of your fabric. Then I'm trying to place the lining to correspond to the down part. I drag it so, and I pin it down. Then you sew it down also. So after that, you're almost done. After that, you sew into the zipper. You can see the way I'm sewing it. That's why we need our zipper foot. You sew close to your zipper over there. Then at the bottom line, try to fold it up. The allowance, we have a kind of turn up at that edge. And that is it, guys. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to check out the finish of that spread. Then the next thing is for us to turn it to the other side, the same way we do it. That's the way we are going to do the other side. And that's it, guys. You are good to go. You have your perfect insane finishing for your zipper. Thank you for watching this video.